guys, there's a referee in case things get too out of hand here.
You knew, not a stinking referee.
I don't know. I think the referee is kind of cute.
The referee is a pretty girl. Tiger?
Yeah. Hey, you want to go out on a date?
We'll be after the fight, but I'm gonna have a hard time being a referee because I just love to watch boys fight. It's just so much fun to watch boys fight.
Oh boy. That's why girls shouldn't be referees.
Okay, well I'll just sit back and watch you guys fight and I won't say a word. I'm going to be a pathetic referee, I'm afraid, though.
Richard, you know what? That was just a weird addition to the video that made no sense.
Yeah, I know. Let's get back to the battle. Hey, cue the battle music! God! Pathetic. Okay, there we go. Where were we?
Yeah, I was about to kick your butt.
Okay, kick it.
Okay, I'll try. Ouch! What, you have an iron butt or something?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess I'll just have to penetrate your heart with the master toothbrush.
Oh god, the master toothbrush, yeah right. I thought you were gonna use an owl god.
You demeaning, mean thing, you! Taste my toothbrush! Yeah, well, I have the magic tape! Not that I need it, I can fly. Anyway, that was just a blind thrown in there for the effect. And I think you're dead, Gunther.
Oh yeah, I'm dead. The history of light and shadow shall be written in blood.
Yeah, your blood, Dark Lord Gunther Dwarf.
No!
Hold on! Why is the ominous music still playing? Hey, the ominous music is supposed to stop. Hey, I won! Now we can play victory music! Hooray! Cliffs of Dover, my favorite song. I remember when I went on my first date with Cynthia the Dragon, and this song was playing on the jukebox. Yeah, memories. Clips of Dover. Hey, why'd the music stop? What do I suddenly do? Ganondorf sing again. He's against! Where is he? Where are you? Why do I hear this music? He's against! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! He's got me! He's got me! I'm becoming possessed by the ghost of Gunther Dwarf!
Yeah, now I sound like Gunther. Now I'll take over the universe. The Dark Lord Flickerdorf is born.
Making you, bitch! I'll stab you!
Who are you?
You're Link, the true hero! Hey, there! I'll get that Gunther Dwarf spirit out of you! The Gunther Dwarf spirit is leaving me! Let's go back into you!
The Dark Lord Gunterdorf!
Okay, you know what? This time we're gonna fight to the doom.